What is brewing within Uttar Pradesh, or specifically the Uttar Pradesh government? Because we are told that there are some rumblings that are on. BJP chief JP Nadda meeting Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister also as well. So this Nadda Maurya meeting amid with questions emerging. Is there some sort of a factional fight that's emerging from the state? Sources are telling us that there is a discussion to reduce if there are tensions, and that would be done in the meeting. This is to ensure that the leadership and the cadre are all on the same page, because Uttar Pradesh is the most important state, remember, not just in terms of numbers for the parliament, but also in many ways it is a deciding factor for national politics too. Abhishek Mishra joins me this morning for the latest on that. Abhishek, BJP wouldn't want to go wrong with the state of Uttar Pradesh because it holds a lot of political people power. What is the information you are picking? What do you think is happening, and why is there a Nadda Maurya meeting in just a short while?
Well, Pooja, this is quite evident enough to understand what is happening in Uttar Pradesh within the BJP. Just after the executive body meeting held in Lucknow, a lot of questions were asked regarding the coordination of the government in the organization, and also some of the MLAs voicing along about the faults and the mishaps which has happened in the recent Lok Sabha polls. Now, what we need to understand that JP Nadda, yes, indeed, he was there in Lucknow, but this time he's having a one-on-one dialogue with the top leaderships. It included yesterday Keshav Prasad Maurya, who reached to meet JP Nadda. At the same time, the state chief Bhupendra Chaudhary was also asked to come, and he also met him. And today, Brajesh Pathak is expected to meet, and he will be reaching there. It's a one-on-one talk with the fact that how these top leaders believe what is happening in Uttar Pradesh, whether the complaints and the the questions being raised in the executive committee, how evident they are, and also to strategize for the upcoming by-polls. That are something which is topmost priority for the BJP. Today, CM Yogi Adityanath has held a meeting of the in charges, respective ministers for these 10 seats at his residence. So it clearly indicates that BJP has realized its position as of now, and they are trying to get everything corrected. But this meeting strategically will also be important, where the top leaders are now directly in coordination and conversation with the national president. Yes.
Abhishek, keep trying to understand what's unfolding with more details coming in, because could there be some big decisions being taken within Uttar Pradesh Bharatiya Janata Party, and what will it reflect in the bigger picture? That's the big news coming in from UP BJP, that back-to-back high-level meetings are taking place in the state and with the national leadership of the party as well. Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister KP Maurya met with BJP Chief JP Nadda. This happened at the party headquarters in Delhi. Nadda's recent visit to Lucknow. Several party leaders voicing concerns about the functioning of the state government and a perceived neglect of the party workers on the ground. Uttar Pradesh BJP Chief Brajesh Pathak will also be meeting with JP Nadda, and BJP sources are suggesting to us that the leaders in Uttar Pradesh are facing a certain discontent with the current administrative strategies, and there are ground-level workers who are feeling that they are being sidelined in UP. This comes after a day also when Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had said that party's expectations were dented due to a shift of votes and overconfidence in the 2024 election. Deputy Chief Minister meanwhile said BJP organization is bigger than the government, and the cadre on the ground, and the pain if they feel is like his own family. What's happening in the state?
इग्नोर नहीं किया जा सकता है कि प्रशासन में कुछ न कुछ। मैं तो बार बार हमेशा कहता हूँ कि ढेर सारे अधिकारी ऐसे हैं कि अंदर से हाथी साइकिल पंजा है, ऊपर से कमल ओढ़कर कुर्सी बैठे हैं। जब उनको मौका मिलता है तो डसने का कोशिश। अब इस समय बुजुर्गों का घर गिराएंगे, बुलडोजर लगाएंगे। 90 साल से बैठा हुआ आदमी, गंवार आदमी है, गरीब आदमी है, उसके लिए सरकार हम लोग है ना, तो कानून का सहारा लेकर उसको बुलडोजर लगाएंगे। जो कुछ अधिकारी ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने सम्मान नहीं किया, उनको धन्यवाद दूंगा। मौका मिलने के बाद उनको सजा भी देते हैं, उन्हें हटाते भी हैं।